And welcome to nonverbal reasoning, and this is test 6. Okay, so work out whether the black shape is a 90-degree rotation of the white shape. Okay, so let's just show you what rotation means. So rotation means when you turn a shape clockwise or anti-clockwise. Now, clockwise means you turn right because the clock hands obviously turn to the right, and anti-clockwise is the opposite, which means that you turn to the left. Okay, so clockwise means you turn to the right, and anti-clockwise means you turn to the left. Now we also have degrees here. So in this first question, the question states 90-degree rotation. Now 90-degree rotation means that you will just turn to the right, okay, unless you're told to turn anti-clockwise or to the left. So in this case, you're just going to turn to the right. So work out whether the black shape is a 90-degree rotation of the white shape. So what's 90 degrees? So let's just write this down. So 90 degrees means a quarter turn. Okay, a quarter turn. So for example, at the moment we've got an arrow pointing up, and if we were to turn it 90 degrees, which is a quarter turn, it will be facing to the right. So it's like this, for example, if you have an angle, this is a quarter turn because you can actually put the square there in the bottom left, which means that it's exactly a quarter turn. So that is a quarter turn, all right? So in this case, in our first question, work out whether the black shape is a 90-degree rotation of the white shape. Well, the white shape is pointing straight up, and the black shape is pointing to the right, which means, yes, there is a 90-degree rotation. So in this case, our answer is going to be yes. Let's have a look at a different type of question within the same task. How many figures below are identical to the figure shown above, apart from being rotated differently? Okay, so you don't have to worry about the rotation. So the rotation means that the crab could be rotated 90 degrees or more or less, so it doesn't make a difference about the rotation. You're only going to find out whether the crab looks identically the same. So let's have a look at this particular crab first of all and identify some things. So first of all, we know that the crab has 3 of these and 3 of these. We also know that the crab has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's basically an octagon with 2 eyes. And at the same time, it's got 2 of these splinters at the end. All right, so just have a look at that and just make sure you've got that sorted out first of all. Let's look at option A. Let's look at option A and find out if it's identical. So we're not worried about the rotation. It could be rotated anyway. So if you look at option A, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Okay. So in our original shape, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides as well. And here we've got 6 sides of the face as well. We've got 2 eyes, we've got 3 of these, we've got 2 splinters at the front. So yes, shape A is identical. Let's have a look at shape B. So shape B, the only difference here is that one of these is missing in the middle. So we'll just cross out shape B. Shape C, let's have a look at this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's got 2 eyes, it's got 3 of each. Yes, so shape C, crab C, in other words, figure C, looks identical. So very good. And let's have a look at figure D. So figure D, we've got the splinters missing here at the front. So we'll just cross this one out. And let's have a look at shape E, figure E. Okay, figure E is slightly different because the eyes have been changed. They should be different way around, so we can actually cross this one out as well. So there's 2 identical figures here, identical figure A and identical figure C to the original crab original figure at the top. Okay, so try your best with these questions and good luck, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Thank you.